Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business. Welcome to Empowering SMEs. Predictive accounting statements and legal overviews for SMEs is the theme of this briefing to you today. Hello to all of our small business and medium-sized business operators who watch these updates every week. I hope that you're surviving in your business and that you are starting now to really get round to finalising the formulation of your strategies for 2020-21. If you haven't done it yet, it's not too late, but sit down this weekend, please, and jot down some figures, get onto your computer, and then talk to your accountant about formulating the budgets, the cash flow forecasts, and preferably your business plan, because that's where all these things should commence from. The business plan sets the strategies. The budget is the calculation as to what profit or loss will emerge from those activities in accordance with the strategies outlined in the business plan. The cash flow forecast is when you bring to account a whole range of other variables. Your debtors days outstanding, and bear in mind they might blow out in this post 30 September period, because it's going to be difficult for all types of businesses to borrow money from banks and other financial institutions. And therefore, unfortunately, some people will just slow down the payment of their accounts. Your investment in inventory is also a very important issue. Make sure you're monitoring it. Your creditors' policies, of course, some can exercise great influence on small businesses and demand payments. The arrangements you already have in place for loan repayments and your bank overdraft limit, your policy on payment of dividends or loan payments on behalf of shareholders, maybe repayments of loans already made, all that comes into effect. And what you might see when you've done those forecasts is that you have a shortfall. And that's when you might like to consider other sources of capital that are available, whether it's crowdsourced funding, equity raising, or Section 708 capital raising. In our webinar this week, or on the Wednesday, the 1st of July, Paul Barnaby, a prescriptive accountant, is going to talk about all those issues and emphasise to you the importance of the preparation of the budget, cash flow forecast, but they all need to be in sync with what you've included within your business plan. The second speaker is Matthew Karakalakis from AMK Law in Adelaide and Melbourne. And Matthew is going to talk about the legal issues. And there's always legal issues, isn't there? But the legal issues that are going to confront businesses as we go in this post-COVID-19 period. Therefore, I have pleasure in inviting you to participate in this free webinar on Wednesday, 1 July, the start of a new financial year, 2020-21. And this has been presented at 12 noon AEST. To register for the webinar, please go to www.esssmallbusiness.com.au/webinars. And I look forward to being able to talk to you at that time, where I will have pleasure in introducing our two keynote speakers and also giving you an update on the developments within COVID-19 coronavirus government policy support for SMEs around Australia. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.